Embedded Linux Kernel Internals using ARM and device drivers, ELKIADD, is an ineffable, comprehensive, hands-on, project-based, career-oriented training program for aspiring engineers. This training aims at building your career with respect to innovative technologies related to embedded Linux, ARM, device drivers, network programming, system software, and system engineering. At the end of this course, you will be ready to start a project using C, ARM, and embedded Linux, from system building to application development. Master the intricacies of embedded Linux, kernel internals, and ARM device drivers in this comprehensive course. Delve into kernel programming, hardware-software interaction, and develop robust device drivers tailored for ARM architecture. Gain hands-on experience configuring kernels, managing interrupts, handling memory, and creating drivers for real-world embedded systems. This training is designed to equip engineers with the skills to innovate and excel in device drivers development, embedded Linux development, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Transform your career with our Embedded Linux and ARM Device Drivers course, mastering kernel internals and driver development to build cutting-edge embedded solutions. Do 9 challenging projects during this training that make you hands-on and industry-ready. Enroll with EmbLogic and build a world-class engineer in you.